Honorable Member Sri A. Samantha ji.
आर्म्स अमेंडमेंट बिल 2019 में बोलने के लिए सुजग दिए मैं आभार व्यक्त करते हुए ये बिल को सपोर्ट करता हूँ। इसमें बोलने के लिए चाहता हूँ करेंटली इन इंडिया देयर आर 4 million arm license approximately. It is being observed that possession of illegal firearms that are used to commit crimes has increased. Therefore, the Arms Act 1959 is being amended to regulate the acquisition, possession, sale, use, manufacture, transport, export and import of arms. This will ensure reduction in violence and will remove the use of illegal weapons in the society. Still, there is an issue of firearms that have been in the family for generations. Most of these weapons are old, making them obsolete. The inherited weapons are treasured items for such family and they are not for any use. Recently, the government had amended the arms rule to allow private manufacturers to produce firearms. Now the government wants to restrict ownership to one weapon. In such a case, the market of firearms will get affected since citizens will be allowed to ownership on only one weapon. According to National Crime Records Bureau, licensed firearms hardly contribute to gun crimes in the country. Similarly, the government via the Arms Amendment Bill 2019 seeks to introduce an amendment to the Arms Act 1959. The proposed law decreases the number of licensed firearms that a person can keep in possession, but also increases the penalties for certain offences under the Act. I am of the view a person can obtain firearm license for only one weapon instead of 3. In cases wherein a person has more than one firearm, after the commencement of the proposed act, has to deposit the remaining firearms within 1 year. Failure to do so will lead to cancellation of the license within 90 days from the date of expiry of 1 year. The validity of the license has been increased from 3 years to 5 years. The Act bans the manufacturing, sale, use, testing, transfer and conversion of firearms without a license. The punishment for manufacturing, sale, transfer, conversion, repair, testing of firearms without a license is minimum 7 years, which may extend to imprisonment for life. Previous prescribed punishment was a minimum of 3 years, which may extend to 7 years. Punishment for acquiring or possessing a prohibited arms or ammunition is a minimum of 7, which may extend to 14 years. Previous prescribed punishment was a minimum of 5 years, which may extend to 7 years. The proposed bill has inserted a new clause with respect to organized crime syndicates. The possession, manufacture, sale, transport of firearm by a member of syndicate will lead to imprisonment of 10 years and life along with the fine. Lastly, the introduction of this proposed bill shows a positive intent of the part of the government to reduce the use of illegal firearms, which leads to violence. I am very much happy that shooters, those who are the pride for this entire countries, are allowed to keep 3 main arms like rifles, shotgun and handgun, which has been amended for us. So it is a good thing for the shooters, those who are bringing laurels to the country. In this regard, we support this bill from the Biju Janata Dal. Thank you very much.
Thank you.